So I am about to head to Goodwill to look for baskets to make a basketball above my bed in my bedroom. I have not gone to any of the Goodwills in Nashville yet. I know the ones back in Portland always had really good baskets, so I'm hoping that I have good luck at the Goodwills here in Nashville. Found a bunch of baskets. So I ended up going to two Goodwills and I couldn't find any baskets at either of them because apparently yesterday they had a 50% off sale throughout the whole store and a bunch of old ladies came in and bought up all the baskets. But I did end up finding another thrift store called Thrift that had like a huge basket full of baskets. So I definitely hit the jackpot there. I've got all my baskets here. I'm just gonna kind of like lay them out and plan it out before I start putting them up on the wall. So here is my finished basket wall. I think it looks pretty good. If I find any other cool baskets, I might add to it or rearrange them, but for now I think it looks pretty good. I also wanted to add that I got all of these baskets for $13, so pretty good deal and pretty inexpensive for like some wall art, because usually if you would hang like a big frame or like a really nice headboard, it'd be pretty expensive. So I'd say that's a pretty inexpensive way to decorate above your bed.